justify the promotion of Keno, that is the consequences of unwise spending by the potential gains in city revenue, and why?
Do I justify it?
Yeah.
You know, I guess truly, I think it's the vote of the people, and then a decision's been made. And so now we need to move forward with it, make sure that the decisions that we make as to how we use it are well made, but I don't see it for further discussion. And like I say, the vote of the people is what it is.
All right, then we'll read the question for Tom. Do you justify the promotion of Keno, that is the consequences of unwise spending by the potential gains in city revenue, and why?
Well, I will certainly agree with Sue on this one. I think the people voted on that. We all have our opinions on it, but when you live in a democracy, representative democracy, people vote. That's not a decision that a mayor or any elected official makes. The people made the decision whether I support it or not support it. By the way, I did support the measure to bring up for the people to vote, and the people voted on it. And whether it goes the way I like it or the way Sue likes it isn't for us to decide and heckle over. So I think that discussion is over as well.